How to onboard clients on GoHighLevel. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up GoHighLevel and then log into your account. After that, on the left hand side panel, you would be able to find the option of agency dashboard. Simply select that particular option and there you would be able to find sub accounts. Simply click on it. After that, we need to create one more sub account in order to onboard a new client, because for every client that you will be adding on GoHighLevel, you need to create a sub account for that particular client. Now just simply click on add sub account. You can find that particular option on the top right hand side corner, and after that select the template according to your client, the niche your client is in, or you can also select a blank template if you are sure how you can move around on GoHighLevel. So simply select template, and after that you need to enter the location of your client. After entering the location, you would be requiring to enter the general information of your client. Just provide all the information about your client and save it. After that, when we click on the option of click here to switch on the left hand side panel, you would be able to switch between different clients. Simply select any particular client, and this way you would be able to perform different tasks for the client that you just onboarded. And you can also add more members to that particular sub account quite easily by selecting the option of adding a new person or member. And this is how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.